Hello, my name is Valeria, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help you process any difficult emotions that you're facing in your life right now. This meditation is a quick and helpful tool that will help you process any hard emotions that you're facing, any challenging ones. Use it as often as you need, whether there are any financial blocks, personal life challenges, relationship challenges, whatever makes you feel stuck. Feel free to use this meditation as it helps you process those hard emotions that are holding you back. I would like to ask you to have a pen and paper prepared, or maybe your notepad in your phone, anything to write things down. Before we begin the meditation, I would like to ask you to set an intention for this practice. Identify an area in your life where you feel a block or challenge. Think about an area in your life where you feel stuck. Maybe you're facing a financial block or a creative block. Maybe you're having a challenge reaching a financial milestone or any other goal that you set for yourself and you feel a problem reaching. Choose one focus area and one intention for now. If you do want to, you can always rewatch this video and start from the beginning, but for now, set one intention related to one area of your life. Pause this video, take a moment to settle on your intention, and then you can continue watching once you're done writing it down. Welcome back, so let's begin. Close your eyes. Bring yourself fully into this moment. Take a long inhale and a long exhale. Imagine a situation that you're facing, a block that you're facing. Imagine yourself in the situation that is disturbing you right now. Imagine that you're right here, right there in that situation. Feel all the emotions that come up. Maybe there is some dissatisfaction, confusion, anger, resistance, or any negative emotion around it. Feel it. Just observe it and let it be there. Begin to recognize those emotions slowly, one by one. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, observe these emotions with gentle awareness. Now, bring yourself back into the room. Open your eyes, and with a pen and paper, write all the emotions that you saw, that you felt on a piece of paper one by one. Write all the emotions that you feel in the relation to the situation. Feel free to pause this video if you want to write the emotions down and continue when you wrote them all down. Wonderful, let's continue. Take a moment to sit comfortably, to get settled. Make sure your back is straight. You can sit on your bed. Maybe it's easier for you to lay down as well. Make sure you're in a comfortable position, that your hands or your legs are not crossed, that your body is straight. Allow yourself to settle in. Now, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. One more. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Bring yourself fully into this moment, imagining that you're in the situation that is disturbing you once again. Observe the emotions around the situation. Observe those emotions that were arising previously, the emotions that you wrote down, or maybe there are some new ones surfacing as well. Sense the emotions present in your body. How do they feel? Where do they feel? Let them emerge naturally and fully experience them. Let them flow. Let them be. Now, I invite you to select one emotion to focus on for this practice, one that feels the strongest in your body. Let's say it's anger. Visualize this emotion in front of you. Maybe it's like a cloud, and you just know that that is the emotion that you saw previously, the emotion that you selected. Now give this emotion a specific color, a color that you feel natural to you, that you associate this emotion with, a color that first came to your mind. Now slowly imagine this color filling your entire body. It is not an emotion, it is simply a color. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to feel this color flowing through you, through your body. Feeling every empty space in your body, from the crown of your head to the tip of your toes. Breathe deeply and fully, allowing this color to circulate within you. Allow it to fill you. Allow yourself to breathe freely while you observe this emotion. Now begin to detach from any negative associations you have with this emotion. Let go of any judgment about the color. It is simply a color. It doesn't have any negative meaning to it. You are not this emotion. You're simply embodying the color right now. You're simply observing a color flow through your body and feel your body from head to toe. Continue breathing. Notice how this color moves through your body, how it changes the sensations within you. Maybe some parts of your body feel different. Notice everything down to the smallest details. With each breath, visualize this color spreading gently through your body, and as you do, repeat the following affirmations out loud. This is my emotion. You can name the emotion if you wish. This is my anger. I see it and I acknowledge it. It is within me. And because it is within me, I am greater and bigger than it. And because I am bigger than it, I have the power to manage it. Because I am greater than it, I have the power to handle it. I have the power to process it. Allow this color to circulate within you until you feel any sense of release. A moment where your body relaxes and you feel a sense of calmness spreading through your body, or just in general, you feel some sense of relaxation. Or maybe continue until other emotion arises. Sometimes beneath the surface emotions, others may lie waiting to be released. Move at your own pace, allowing whatever arises to unfold naturally. Pause here if you wish. Now you either encountered a sense of relief or another emotion surfacing. If there was another emotion surfacing, we will continue. If not, you can skip to the end of this video. Make sure your eyes are closed. If another feeling arises, such as irritation, for example, we will repeat the process. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Visualize this new emotion as a new color. And once again, observe it feel in your body, detaching any sense of self-identity with it. This emotion is not you. It is simply a color flowing through your body. Feeling your body like an energy. Observe it flow, observe it go through your body, through your skin, through your toes, through your arms, through your legs. Observe it flow, knowing you are more than this feeling and that you have the strength to process it. Keep letting it flow through your body until you feel the sense of relaxation or release in your body. Once you do, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. If there is another emotion resurfacing, skip to the beginning of this video and repeat the process. Process it as many times as you need until all the emotions that you wrote down or all the emotions that are surfacing are processed and you have a feeling of relaxation and release. If you reached a place of calm and relaxation, bring yourself back to your body. Observe your breathing. Notice your inhales and your exhales. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel the space, the room around you. Gently notice the sounds, the smells. Bring yourself back to this day, to this time. Take a long breath in, 1, 2, 3, and long breath out, 1, 2, 3. And after 3 deep breaths, open your eyes. Welcome back. You have begun the process of healing from the emotions that held you back or made you feel frustrated. Now you have more freedom and more power to get everything that you want. You may be surprised how many new possibilities can open when you let go of the emotions that are weighting you down. Hopefully this meditation was helpful. Thank you so much for joining. My name is Valeria and I'll see you on the next one.